more to game number 4. Samboy Lim on your screens, 8:27. Look at that big pick by Alvin Teng. Lim, corner flip. Yes! Hector looks for an opening. The Skywalker gets hijacked.
Foul is on Joey Santamaria. This is a variant who plays defense best against the Skywalker. Oh, yes.
If he has to do that. Here, Beer. 5:40 to go. Masama yun. Bubula yung Beer nun. Meanwhile, a connection. San Miguel seems to be playing the emotional angle of this game so far, Bill.
Yes, absolutely. They're trying to take it to Pure Foods. Like I said, the only thing is sort of
in game 3, but this time it doesn't materialize. 24-16 tally. Ravena overshooting. Samboy. Pure Foods doing their own whiplash points per game. Samboy's, oh boy, lucky break. Good bounce. It's a triple. Joey Santamaria, who started out earlier, comes back in for Reyes. And Santamaria, he himself is programmed to play Samboy Lim here today. Samboy's outside the tip. Yes, it's a triple.
Samboy has 14 points.
And Teng wasn't really in the best position to receive it. Here's Samboy Lim. Zips through the defense. Teng set up well. Parang mirror nangyari. Lim and Terina trying to crowd him. Lim flies.
I'm speechless.
I heard you say that on another station about 5 years ago. It happens to you every now and then.
Yeah. Huh? Offensively, they've got a lot of good one-on-one players.
The Skywalker attempts to pull the trigger. Gets it! San Miguel Beermen, both teams in the penalty. We're down to 1:24. Samboy Lim with a triple, number 3.
That's confident.
Forget, our good friend, Presto consultant, Mr. Jim Kelly, will join my partner, Bill Velasco, for KP at the half. And we're going to have Romy Quintanar. Beginning to wonder what they could cheer about. Maybe this could be the start. Sky walking time. Yes, and it's San Miguel's turn to rise up and cheer. Samboy Lim drives. Referee Cordero halts play with a whistle.
Try to hit the outside shot as well. They're the ones who haven't hit the outside shot in this fourth quarter.
Samboy Lim drills it in, coming from the right side. It's ice everywhere.
No fast break that time for San Miguel Beer. Good transition defense by Pure Foods. They're going back to a one-on-one for Samboy Lim.
And illegal defense is slapped against the Hot Dogs. This is the to tie up the series. Samboy Lim posting up. Reyes watching him. Lim downstairs to Agustin. Kick that defense. It's a feed for the San Miguel Beer. Let's see who that foul is on. It's on Alvin Patrimonio, Seth. And that will be it. 6 personal fouls. And Patrimonio joins Fernandez in Showersville. We enter the twilight zone.
Last 2 minutes. Last 2 minutes.
Narito po tayo sa last 2 minutes. At ang last 2 minutes na ito ay hati because of 6 personals. What can Pure Foods do in this last 2 minutes, Bill?
Well, I think they've got to start putting up some threes, but we'll talk about that after this timeout.
And it will be Alvin Teng.
Full court press now being employed by the TJ Hot Dogs. That'll do a couple of things. One, slow down the offensive San Miguel Beer, and 2, improve their chances of getting turnovers in positions where San Miguel Beer will not be able to catch them on the fast break.
At the next dead ball situation, we'll take a quick look at our Club 24 fast break. Meanwhile, the shot clock is down to 3. What a big...
Oh, my goodness. Backbreaker of a shot if I ever saw one.
9-point lead for San Miguel Beer. The biggest lead stood at 19. It was shattered and brought down to as low as 5.
Well, Pure Foods has got to start giving up fouls. Whether they're saving them for, if they don't foul anybody, they don't stop the clock.
Good point. Samboy looking at that clock. The shot clock has 3 seconds to go. He flies. 39 seconds remaining. And now it looks like the series goes alternating, except in the second and third game, Bill. I stand correct there. It's actually San Miguel taking the first, and now the last two were taken by the Hot Dogs, and game 4 looks very much going San Miguel's way. We'll be back. 2 games apiece.